From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, PA. This is Hannah Ruisi with the Campus Weather Service. Right now we have a live look at Beaver Stadium. If you look over here, we can see a clear sunrise over Mount Nittany. Isn't that beautiful? Our conditions for right now in PA are 45 degrees in State College, but it feels like 39, and that is because some of the high winds that we're going to get into later in this forecast. Now, as we look at some of the other cities here, Pittsburgh, relatively clear skies. As we look into Lewisburg and Philly today, telling the exact same story, clear skies and a bit of the sun already peeking out. As we look at the temperatures for right now, over in Harrisburg, it's already 54. We have some of the upper 40s over here, and as we look in the western half of the state, pretty much mid-40s. Even in Du Bois, we have a sub-40 temperature right there. As we move out into the statewide view, we have pretty much the same thing going on in the western half of the state. 40 degrees for Pittsburgh, 40 degrees for Johnstown. Over in Erie, we have a bit of an outlier because that has some of the lake effect winds that are going to bring some of the more milder temperatures to the area. And as we look at our national forecast, we have a high pressure system that's kind of coming down, and that's bringing some of those chilly temperatures all the way down to New Orleans, which is 57, Charleston 53, some chillier temperatures for the outlook over there. Now, as we look at the wind speed over here, it's already 10 miles per hour in State College, 14 in Harrisburg. Those are some gusts that you are going to feel on your morning commute. And as we look at the radar/satellite for today, we have a few stray showers coming in that you might see throughout the day. And as we move out into the forecast, you might see over the Midwest here, Great Plains, we have some snow that might be moving in and bring a bit of moisture to the area later in the week. Don't get your hopes up for that much coming from this system, though. For the future weather here in State College, we have 50 degrees. It's going to warm up a little bit before taking a big plunge. Monday at 7 p.m., it's already going to be below 40. And as we head into your morning, you could see in some of the higher elevations, Johnstown even, you could see some snow in the forecast. On Tuesday, up into some western New York parts, you're going to have some of that lake effect snow that's going to be occurring throughout the day, maybe bringing you some flurries up in northwestern PA. That's going to continue into Wednesday early morning. You could see your first freezing temperature of the year. As we look into our future weather forecast, not much going on. You can still see the upper Greater Lakes region snow going on, and that is going to continue. But we're just going to have pretty much clear skies in PA, that low moisture system, but we're just going to be hanging out pretty clear throughout the weekend. Today in State College, you have a high of 53. It's going to be partly cloudy and pretty breezy, as I said earlier. The wind's going to be gusting from 10 to 20 miles per hour. As we look into tonight, it's going to be first sub-40 temperatures, 39, mostly cloudy. It's only going to get chillier after this. And as we head into tomorrow, it's going to be nice 49. That's below average for the year. We have cloudy early, and it's going to clear out by later today on Tuesday into the night. Now, let's look at our 7-day forecast. As we head into Wednesday, the trends are that it's going to be relatively clear, but also relatively cool. You can look into some of the low temperatures for this week, and you can already see first sub-freezing, 31 on Tuesday night, and it's already going to get into the mid-20s by the end of the week, Friday night. So make sure you bundle up for those chilly nights ahead. On your weekend outlook, you can see some relatively average temperatures, 51 and 54 are pretty good, and those are going to bring you pretty clear skies as well. From the Campus Weather Service, this is Hannah Ruisi, and I hope you have an amazing day.